Question number 11.
Yes, sir. In an orbit of radius 0.5 angstroms, an electron revolves with a frequency of 6.25 into 10 power 15 hertz. The magnetic induction field at its center is.
So first you told that orbit of radius has 0.5. So angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. That is the knowledge what we have about angstrom and meters. And what about frequency? Frequency, if you observe the frequency beta, what is there in the frequency? If you observe, they have mentioned it as 6.25 into 10 to the power of 15 hertz. Next, they're asking us to find what is the magnetic field induction at the center. So what is the formula for us to find this one? B is equal to mu naught I by 2R is my formula, right? So B value is mu naught I by 2R. Do you know this formula beta? Magnetic field induction at the center means for the orbit. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what I can do here means, I know that I is equal to charge by time, that is I is equal to E by T. So E value, I know it as 1.6 into 10 power, that is 1 minute. Before going to substitute the values, what I will do here is 1 by time period is frequency, right? So I is equal to E into F. What is this E, sir? Electron charge. Why you took electron charge here, sir? Because current is rate of flow of charge, charge by time. Charge I am taking it as E, time is nothing but time period. Frequency is nothing but reciprocal of time period. Sir, why you have taken this one, sir? See here. Orbit electron revolves with the frequency dimension. Electron is revolving around that one. So that I can write I equal to E by T. E into what is the F means frequency. And a frequency is nothing but a reciprocal of time period. That's the reason 1 by T I wrote it as F. Now what is my target here is, here in the place of I am substituting that value. Let me substitute. B is equal to mu naught into E into F by 2R. Fine. So they have given all the values here. We know that mu naught means 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. E value, I know that 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This is electron charge value. Everybody in the class know about electron charge value. Now, let us observe. What is the frequency they mentioned? 6.25 into 10 power 15. Let me write that information also. 6.25 into 10 power 15 by 2R. 2 into R. What is R, sir? R is radius. What is the radius value? They only provided in the question 0.5 angstroms. So I can write 0.5 into 10 power minus 10. 0.5 into 10 power minus 10. So finally I can write like this. So here 2 ones and 0.5. 2 and 0.5 they will be cancelled. 10 power minus 10 will go to the numerator. 4 pi into, it will become plus 10. So first I am removing 10 power 10 into 10 power minus 7 means I can write it as 10 power 3. And 10 power minus 19 into plus 15 here. Minus 19 plus 15 means 10 power minus 4. And 1.6 into 6.25 I am writing here by, what is the thing I can write here, into 10. That's all. The denominator, everything is clear, so no need of changing anything, writing anything in the denominator. So what I will get? 4 pi 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 1 into 1.6 into 6.25. So finally, if you calculate this one, I think here 0.16 into 6.25 is there. So 0.16 into 6.25 value is nothing but 1. If you calculate this one, 0.16 into 6.25, what's the value beta? It is 1. So simply can I write 4 pi into 1 and answer is 4 pi. So these are all calculation stuff. You can do it. There's not at all issue at all. You can do it. So first of all, check the question or frequency. Whenever B they want with frequency means immediately target. Generally for electron they'll mention like that. Why you didn't substitute 4 pi value, sir? Because starting itself I observed the question. When I observe the question here, please observe the question. When they have given here the values in the options 4 pi, 2 pi, like that they have given. Okay, 4 Tesla, 2 Tesla is there, but first option, second option they gave in terms of pi. First I thought that let us do keeping pi. If you don't get, then we can convert anyhow. That's the easy test. So I didn't substitute the pi value and I got this expression as 4 pi Tesla. Is it clear for all the students in the class? I hope
Yes,
it is
sir.
done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read 12th question.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The electric current in a circular coil of 2 turns produced a magnetic induction of 0.2 T at its center. The coil is unwound and rewound into a coil of 4 turns. The magnetic induction at the center of the coil now is in Tesla if the same current flows in the coil.
Yes. So they told electric current in a circular coil of 2 turns. So number of turns are 2. Magnetic field induction is 0.2 at its center. The coil is unwounded and rewounded into coil of 4 turns. That means the same coil, just first they unwound. That means suppose initially it is like that. Number of turns N1, radius is R1. The same coil completely unwounded and again rewounded into turns of N2. Now when the turn changes, no doubt radius also will change. So here let me take R2. So anyhow, they didn't give any information about the radius relations or anything, nothing is provided there. But N2, what happened? They told that it is made to 4 turns. 4 turns, well done. Now they are asking the question, okay, it is 4 turns. What is the B2 value? How to find B2 value now? So one thing is confirmed, the concept is related to unwounded and rewounded. So already in class I discussed about this concept of unwounding and rewounding. So what is this concept, sir? Unwounding and rewounding? Because the length of the wire will not change, length is same. So length of the wire when you make a circle into number of turns means generalized formula is for one circle circumference is 2 pi r. There are n turns, so 2 pi r into n I can write. So from this we can notice that they told that length is same. How you know length is same, sir? Because you can notice here. Here the total circular wire, whatever it is there, the same wire you unwounded, again rewounded into like this, the second circle. So anyhow, length is constant, 2 pi is constant, radius is inversely proportional to number of turns. Radius is inversely proportional to number of turns. That is the game. Fine. Radius is inversely proportional to number of turns. What is the magnetic field formula, sir? At the center, everybody know that mu naught Ni by 2R. And they also mentioned same current is flowing. When the same current is flowing there, I will be constant. mu naught is constant, 2 is constant. But because of change of turns, radius also changes. B is proportional to N by R. If you observe carefully here, just now I told radius is inversely proportional to number of turns. So in the place of radius, now what I can write here? B is proportional to N by 1 by N. So if I substitute this one like that, finally I can write B is proportional to N square. This is the formula for unwounded and rewounded turns. From this information, can I write B1 by B2 is equal to N1 by N2 whole square beta? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? They have mentioned B1 value, number of turns, and B2 value, number of turns. Let us substitute that data. This is 0.224. Let me substitute the data here. So what I am going to get? 0.2 by B2 is equal to, this is the 2 by 4 whole square. 2 by 4 whole square means nothing but, finally what we can observe here, 0.2 by B2 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. So B2 is equal to 0.8. Units we can take Tesla, because magnetic field units, SI unit generally Tesla or Weber per meter square will be used better. So we can also call, remember, don't forget, magnetic field induction or even magnetic flux density. Sometimes they use magnetic flux density per B. So that is the information you have to know. And please check this one. B1, B2, number of turns are given. B2 they want to find. The wire is first, what happened? They unwounded and again rewounded to different turns. Whenever they say unwounded and rewounded to different turns, you must and should remember length is same. So directly come to the formula B is proportional to N square from now onwards. And directly apply this one and get the answer. I hope it is clear to all the students in the class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine. Then we'll go for next question. Please read.
In an
Beta.
atom, the electron has a time period of 0.16 into 10 to the power of minus 15 seconds. In a circular orbit of radius 0.5 angstroms, the magnetic induction at the center of the orbit will be.
So they have given the time period information provided, radius information provided, and they also provided as magnetic induction at the center, B value they are asking. And they provided one more information. This is the electron it is. Can you check it is? It is in an atom, the electron is given here. So electron means what should I write? I will once I'll zoom this one. 1 minute, you can see more clearly this question. See here, electron, an atom, the electron has time period 0.16 10 power minus 5 seconds, circular orbit of radius, magnetic induction at the center they are asking. So okay, we provided the T value, R value they do, and they're asking to find B. So first of all, what is the B formula? Beta magnetic induction mu naught I by 2R. What is I, sir? Already we told before problem. I is nothing but E by time period. We can also write E into frequency, but here in your time period related. And E value didn't provide, sir. E value, you know, electron charge 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Let us just substitute here that value mu naught into E by 2R into capital T. So now this is the formula what I have made. Is it clear till here? So here simply what I am doing here is I am substituting the values. B is equal to mu naught means 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. E value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 2 into R value and T value. Already I have given R value as 0.5 angstroms. Remember, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Don't forget this information. Even in chemistry, you will be using. So it is a very important information about unit 1 angstrom. So 0.5 into 10 power minus 10 and into what is the time period? They have given the time period value as 0.16 into 10 power minus 5. So let me substitute that. 0.16 into 10 power minus 5. So these values, if you substitute and calculate, now the minus not 5, it is minus 15 is given. Minus 15 is given. Let me calculate this one. First of all, here what I can cancel beta? 2 I can cancel with 0.5. And here 1.6 and this is 0.16 means it will become 10 times, no doubt. And 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 15 is there here. So 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 15 means 10 power minus 25. It will go into the numerator means what should I write? 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 minus 19. First of all, minus 7 minus 19. Already 10 is there. That is plus 1. And now this 10 power minus 25 is going to the numerator. It is going to become plus 25. And no denominator terms now. So 4 pi into 10 power, what is this one? My 25, here minus 19 minus 7. Minus 19 minus 7 means what we can write? 10 power minus 26 plus 25. That is nothing but, what should I write here? 4 pi into, I am writing it as 4 pi into 10 power minus 1. That is nothing else. 0.4 into 5. That is the answer what I got. Now let me check here. What answer they mention? They didn't mention answer in terms of pi. So you have to calculate this one. You have to substitute the pi value also then. Let me substitute the pi value and calculate. Can anybody tell this calculation what you are going to get? 0.4 into 3.14. So what answer you are going to get here? Just calculate and tell me. Answer I have to get in Tesla, right? So if your calculation is becoming late, no doubt it must be getting the single digit. 4 3 is 12 means something like that. If you are doing calculation slowly, if you feel, then immediately go back to the question. And just check the options and decide the answer. No doubt, answer will not be 12.5, 125.5, 25. Answer is third option. This is the confirm. So you want to calculate, you can calculate. No, sir, by options you can verify and you can check it out and you can find the answer. I hope it is clear. Is it clear till here, beta, for all the students in the class?
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
Just check the question once. Here they have given time period, radius, b value, and just what I did here, I changed I value as e by 2 and just data I substituted. Finally, I got the answer. I hope all the students are clear till here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.